what's up everybody? It's Brandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. A few days ago I received my fall FabFitFun box. And of course, as per usual, I've been working, so I haven't had the time to record. And I am getting over being sick. My throat is pretty swollen still. It just hurts a little bit, so please bear with me. I decided to record today because I didn't want to wait any longer. I sound less manly than I did the past few days, so I figured that would be fine. So just bear with me on my slightly scratchy voice. I still want to share with you what I got in my FabFitFun box. Please be nice and just understand that I am feeling a little bit under the weather, and I know I may look a little bit under the weather, but what the important part about this video is this fall FabFitFun box. I have done a spring FabFitFun unboxing haul for you guys before, and if you've noticed, I did not post a summer FabFitFun haul. I did record a summer FabFitFun haul, but when I was going through and watching the video, I just wasn't a huge fan of how it turned out. But I did want to share the fall box with you. I'm at least putting in an effort to post this. The sun is slowly gonna start setting soon, so we need to go ahead and jump into this full FabFitFun unboxing video. So let's get to it. As per usual, you get the FabFitFun magazine. This one has Meghan Trainor on it. My favorite part about these magazines is on the inside, it has a list and description of all the products and possible products that you could have or did receive in your box, including the price. So this box is worth or valued at $211 to $345.99 depending on what you received. These FabFitFun boxes are $49.99, and that is every season. It's not every month, which is pretty exciting. They do send you full-size products. I've received this in every box, but it is a HelloFresh gift card. I still have yet to try it, so maybe for one of my videos when I finally decide to try it and put to use all these gift cards that I have, I'll have to let you guys know how it goes. Now the exciting part, opening up all the goodies in the box. Oh my goodness. I always feel so overwhelmed when I do these unboxing FabFitFun, which is probably why I don't like the way that my last one turned out, because there's just so many cool items that catch my eye that I just want to look at right away. So I don't even know where to start. What is this? Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. They go underneath the eye, and these retail for $25. So I'll have to try that out. There's another sort of mask that I got in my last box that I want to try out too. That's a rose gold full face sheet mask, and those type of products just really intrigue me, or gold products like this. I have a gold mask that I sometimes put on. It's a peel-off mask, but it just adds a lot of glow to your skin and a lot of, like, what's that word I'm looking for? Luminescence. So I'm super excited to try these out. I am always excited to try out new facial products. So here is the next item that I'm pulling out of my box. This is from After Spa. It's a hair towel. This is the After Spa hair towel wrap. The towel is designed with an elastic loop and button to comfortably dry and hold your hair up. I'll have to try this out and let you guys know what I think about it. Just let me feel this. Oh, it's actually really, really soft. Whoa. Whoa. Wait. How does this work? So lovely. Okay. And then twist it, right? Or maybe this goes towards the back of your head. I have no idea. Don't know how I feel about this. Maybe I'll figure it out, and maybe it will be a hidden gem that I didn't know I needed. These are called the Farah ear crawlers. So my bottom hole is gauged, but the second one of my ear piercings isn't. So it would look cute with the right plugs. These are $34. Maybe if I just find the hole first. Whoa. Why is it falling? Why is it staying? How does this work? Maybe if I try it on the other side it will work better. I'm struggling. I'm gonna have to try this again later. This next product looks like candy, although I know it's not, but it's super cute packaging. Here it is. These are called Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. So not candy, but they are definitely made of sugar. Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Why can't I say sugar cubes? Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse, and these are $16. I always have to smell things, so we're gonna smell this. I wish you could pick that up on camera, how it smells. Wow. Okay, I definitely want to eat them even more now. This item has the coolest label, I feel like, out of everything in here. I just love the design. It's Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. This is a body souffle. It says natural, vegan, and cruelty-free, which is just awesome. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized, and this retails at $18. Oh my god. I don't know what smells better, the sugar cubes for exfoliating or this body souffle. It feels really, really good on my skin. And it just smells delicious. Here I recognize this next product because I have actually purchased this product before from Aveda. And this is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I got this product when I started dyeing my hair more often just because that does a lot of damage to it, and it helped a lot. So I already know this is a good product and I'm really happy to receive it and use it again. And the scent is still the same that I remember. It's this earthy, fresh, earthy, I already said earthy. And Aveda has some really great products, so if you haven't tried out Aveda before, I definitely recommend you try them out because they have some very amazing hair care products. It is only $30. It looks like we have just a few more items left. Come on, why is this so hard? I'm weak. I promise. I work out, I do. I actually remember seeing this. I think I chose this out because when I first looked at it, I thought it was a makeup bag by Kate Spade. But this is actually a lunchbox. I think that even though this is a lunchbox, it could still make a good makeup bag. I mean, it doesn't really look any different than a makeup bag. It looks like it is a little insulated on the inside for lunches, but this could pass for a makeup bag. Ditch the paper bag and opt for this cute lunchbox, which features an insulated interior to keep your food cool. This Kate Spade lunchbox retails at $30. Okay, last but certainly not least is the item that I am most excited for because I did customize this and it was the first thing that I customized and saw in my box. It is this beautiful corally hair straightener, and it comes with this coral travel pack, and this is definitely one of my favorite items of the FabFitFun unboxing. It's super sturdy. I absolutely love the color and love that it comes with this nifty traveling bag. That is everything that I received in my fall FabFitFun box, so I added everything up as we were going along, and my value for this FabFitFun box is $251. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for bearing with me as I am feeling under the weather. I love all of you. If you've received a fall FabFitFun box, then please comment below what your favorite item was that you received in your fall FabFitFun. Whew. Mine was definitely the hair straightener. Obviously, it was also worth the most, but I am also super excited to try out the lotion, although I'm pretty happy with everything. I'm not sure if I'll use the hair towel, but we'll just have to wait and see. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed everything and watching my video. And until next time, I love all you beautiful people. Have a wonderful day.